Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Throttle Channel that brings you an alluring moto vehicle experience. Today we bring you one of the most abused vehicle in Kenya. The Toyota Probox is one of the most popular car used in the transport industry in Kenya. This car is used to transport miraa in the Mount Kenya region and other urban centers. The Toyota Probox is a 5-seater light commercial van produced by the Japanese automaker Toyota. It was first introduced in 2002 and is primarily sold in Asian and African markets. The Probox is known for its affordability, durability, and reliability for personal and commercial use. It offers a spacious interior and practical design and is available in front-wheel and four-wheel drive configurations. Engine. The engine options for the Toyota Probox. 1.3-liter 4-cylinder engine. This is a compact and efficient engine that delivers good fuel economy and low emissions. 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. This is a larger engine that offers more power and acceleration than the 1.3-liter engine, while still delivering good fuel efficiency. 1.5-liter hybrid engine. This engine combines a conventional gasoline engine with an electric motor to deliver increased fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. 1.5-liter diesel engine. This engine delivers good fuel economy and low emissions, making it a popular choice for drivers who prioritize efficiency. This car is popular due to its affordability, durability, and versatility. However, some drivers in Kenya may also abuse their Probox vehicles, putting excessive wear and tear on them by overloading them, driving at high speeds on rough roads, or neglecting routine maintenance. This abuse can cause the vehicle to break down more frequently, requiring more costly repairs and reducing lifespan. It's important to note that this kind of behavior is not limited to Kenya and can be seen in other countries. Why do miraa drives love the Toyota Probox? Share your sentiments in the comment section. Remember to subscribe, like, share and comment.